Hello everybody, this is Krishnan Academy, and today we will be continuing with problems number 6 and 8. So I'll first start out by reading the question. The quotient of two positive integers is 21. The difference between the larger integer and this quotient is 21. What is the sum of the two integers? So let's let a be the larger integer, so a is greater than b. And we know from the question that the quotient of these two integers is 21. So a over b is equal to 21. Also, we know that the difference between the larger integer and this quotient is 21. And so since we are dealing with positive numbers, we know that a must be greater than a over b. A must be greater than a over b. Unless, of course, b is equal to 1. But we know that a minus a over b is equal to 21. So therefore, a must be greater than a over b. And also, in this equation, a minus a over b is equal to 21, we already know that a over b is equal to 21, so we can substitute that in. So a minus 21 is equal to 21. And now we can add 21 to both sides, and we have a is equal to 42. And we look at the question, and they are asking for the sum of the two integers. So now we need to find b as well. And we know that a over b is 21, so we have 42 over b is 21, and 21b is 42. If we divide both sides by 21, we have b is equal to 2, and 42 plus 2 is 44, our requested sum. And that is the answer. Now on to the 8th problem. What is the least positive integer n such that the product 65n is a perfect square? So 65n. We don't know a lot about n, we don't know what it is, but we do know that we can factorize 65, and that's equal to 5 times 13 times n. And we want 65n to be a perfect square, so we know that n must have at least one factor of 5. And since n has to be as small as possible, we just need one factor of 5, so there must be at least one factor of 5. And that goes for 13 as well. We need at least one factor of 13 for 65n to be a perfect square. And since n has to be as small as possible, we just need 1. So n is equal to 5 times 13, and that's all we need. So n is equal to 65. And if we look at that, our number 65n, it's 65 times 65, which is 65 squared. And that indeed is a perfect square. So our answer is 65. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.